Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 20 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. It is the best possible option if you want to download something. And then we can enter the Play Store, simply. And usually we will have to tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner, but lately the Google just transferred all of those options to the circle. So after tapping on it, you can see this information that your apps, games, payment methods, notifications and offers are now right here. So let's tap on it and let's tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the apps which are installed on this device, but if you'd like to check the updates, all you have to do is to simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I've got 33 updates pending. And of course, you can update all of those apps if you want to, but if not, just mark the one you would like to update and download. So let me pick, for example, the Gmail and maybe Google Drive. And let me get back. That was a misclick. Just make sure that you tap on the square here, and if you are ready, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, both of the updates are pending. Right now they will be downloaded and successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually you do not need to do anything. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your MOTOROLA Edge 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.